Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mihir and you are watching Make Boy and J. So guys, today's topic is how to get sponsorship for small YouTube channels. Starting the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
For getting sponsorship, you have to download one app. Name is Big Bidder, which download link are available in a description box. Please check. After downloading the app, open the app and select your preferable language and click on a sign up. After that, you have to fill your name and mobile number and click on a sign up. You will get OTP on your registered mobile number. Fill the OTP and go for the next step. Here you will see many apps. Select anyone and go for the next step. In this page, you have to fill your channel information. In platform, select YouTube and then paste your channel link here and what subscriber you have, fill here. I have 2300 subscriber. Then fill your mobile number and email and price is totally based upon your subscriber. What subscriber you have? I have 2000 subscriber, so I fill 1000 and click on the bid now. Done. Now you have to wait 5 to 7 days. You will get message or email like this. Then chat with brand and confirm your sponsorship. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.